In this video, I will show you how to create Coinbase Smart Wallet. Now first we need to do is open up this website. So just go to the Google and from here search Coinbase Smart Wallet. And then you have to click on this first website and then click on this create wallet option. Then you will be landed on the same website. Then simply click on this create a smart wallet button at the middle of your screen. Then it's going to open up this window where you have to set up your key. So just click on sign up and then you have to create a passkey. So click on create passkey button. After that you have to select the passkey option if you want to use the fingerprint, pin or any other device. I'm going to use the fingerprint option. So I will just place the finger on my fingerprint scanner. And then your passkey will be saved to your computer. So click on OK. And then click on allow. And that's it, your Coinbase Smart Wallet has been created. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.